This is a video for my Unit 3 project tutorial. This is all of the code I used for this tutorial program. These first few lines of code determine the ball's properties. They determine the position, radius, color, and make it so the sphere has a trail. This next set of code is for the box. It determines the position of each wall in the X, Y, and Z direction, the size of each wall in the X, Y, and Z direction, and the color of each wall. Additionally, I named each wall so it was easier to keep track of. While R is the right wall, while L is the left wall, while T is the top of the box, while B is the bottom of the box, and while F is the back of the box. These next few lines of code determine the velocity to the ball and set up the stopwatch of the program and starts it at 0. This next set of code determines the arrow's position, axis, color, and velocity. These next few lines of code are in a while loop. This means that while the time is less than 5, all of the contents of the while loop will occur. In this loop, I determine the rate, which says that the while loop will not be executed more than 50 times per second. This makes it so the program is visible and comprehensible. In this while loop, I also turn the auto scale off so the program is easier to understand. Next, I made it so if the wall were to hit the walls of the box, it would change the velocity and bounce off the walls. I did this for each wall and created an invisible wall in which if the ball went beyond a specific distance in the Z direction, it would bounce back into the box. This last section of code makes it so the arrow follows the velocity of the ball and makes it so the arrow is pointing in the direction that the ball is going. This is a video of my program running. I switch the view here to show how the ball bounces off this invisible wall.